Today, we will practice useful English in beautiful Geibikei Gorge.
This lesson is perfect for enjoying nature and travel English together.
We will ride a boat, see tall cliffs, enjoy the river, and try local food.
Geibikei is famous for its peaceful boat ride through a dramatic gorge.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy slow English on a beautiful boat ride in Iwate. We finally arrived at Geibikei Gorge.
I was really looking forward to this boat ride.
The air feels fresh near the river.
How do I say 楽しみにしていた in English?
You can say, I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
Perfect. That is a very useful phrase for travel.
The river looks calm from here.
Yes, and the cliffs already look impressive.
I can feel that this will be special.
Let's go to the boat pier first.
Great! I cannot wait to get on the boat. This boat pier has a nice travel atmosphere.
Yes, the wooden boats look beautiful.
The boatman is preparing the boat.
How do I say 船に乗りたい in English?
You can say, I want to ride the boat.
I want to ride the boat.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
The river looks very peaceful today.
It feels like a perfect day for a boat ride.
Let's take our seats carefully.
Good idea. I want to enjoy the view from the front.
The ride is about to begin. The boat is moving so gently.
This feels relaxing already.
How do I say ゆっくり進む in English?
You can say, the boat moves slowly.
The boat moves slowly.
Great. That phrase is perfect for this moment.
The sound of the water is very calm.
And the boatman uses only one pole.
That looks skillful and beautiful.
It makes the ride feel traditional.
I love this slow pace.
Me too. It is peaceful and special. Look at those tall cliffs.
They are much bigger than I expected.
How do I say 崖が高い in English?
You can say, the cliffs are so tall.
The cliffs are so tall.
Perfect. It is simple and useful.
The rocks make the gorge feel dramatic.
Yes, the boat looks small between the cliffs.
This view is amazing.
How do I say 景色がすごい in English?
You can say, the view is amazing.
The view is amazing. The river is so quiet here.
Yes, the surface looks like a mirror.
How do I say 川が静か in English?
You can say, the river is quiet.
The river is quiet.
Excellent. That sounds very natural.
I can see the cliffs reflected on the water.
That makes the scenery even more beautiful.
This is a perfect place to take photos.
I want to remember this peaceful moment.
The whole gorge feels like a natural painting.
I agree. It is very beautiful. We reached the turnaround point.
Yes, we can walk a little here.
The cliffs feel even closer from this spot.
How do I say 少し歩きたい in English?
You can say, I want to walk a little.
I want to walk a little.
Good. That is a useful travel phrase.
I can see people throwing small lucky stones.
It looks fun to make a wish here.
Let's take a short walk and look around.
Great. I want to enjoy this place slowly.
This stop makes the boat ride even more memorable. I am getting hungry after the boat ride.
Me too. Let's try some local food.
This restaurant near the river looks nice.
What do you recommend here?
That is a very useful phrase.
How do I say, 何がおすすめですか in English?
You can say, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. You can use it at any restaurant.
I might try soba or a local lunch set.
Both sound delicious after a relaxing boat ride.
Travel feels even better with good food. The boatman's song sounds beautiful.
Yes, it makes the gorge feel even more special.
How do I say 歌が美しい in English?
You can say, the song is beautiful.
The song is beautiful.
Good. That phrase is simple and natural.
The voice echoes softly through the gorge.
It feels like time is moving slowly.
This is not just sightseeing.
Yes, it feels like a cultural experience too.
I will remember this sound.
Me too. It is very moving. The light is getting softer now.
The evening view by the river is beautiful.
Everything feels even calmer now.
The colors of the cliffs and water are gentle.
I want to come back again.
How do I say また来たい in English?
You can say, I want to come back again.
I want to come back again.
Perfect. That is a great travel phrase.
Geibikei left a strong impression on me.
Me too. It is peaceful and powerful at the same time.
This has been a wonderful day. Today was full of beautiful scenery.
Yes, the boat ride was especially memorable.
I loved looking up at the tall cliffs.
Me too. The quiet river was lovely as well.
The boatman's song was unforgettable.
And the local lunch was delicious.
I learned a lot of useful English today.
Yes, and the scenery helped us remember the phrases.
Iwate has so many wonderful places.
I would love to explore more of it someday.
This trip made me feel refreshed.
It was a wonderful day.
Let's review the most useful phrases from today.
Sure. I'm ready.
I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
I want to ride the boat.
I want to ride the boat.
The boat moves slowly.
The boat moves slowly.
The cliffs are so tall.
The cliffs are so tall.
The view is amazing.
The view is amazing.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I want to come back again.
I want to come back again.
Thank you for joining our Geibikei Gorge English lesson.
We practiced useful travel English on a beautiful boat ride.
Geibikei gave us peaceful water, tall cliffs, and memorable sounds.
I hope this lesson made you want to visit it too.
Please repeat the phrases and use them on your next trip.
Slow practice will help your English grow naturally.
Let's keep enjoying English, little by little.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day.